guys. So I forgot to show you the kitchen in the house tour.
Puzzle.
So let me show you since I kinda updated it to be better. Okay, so start downstairs. I thought of taking the beach house instead. And the TV from the mountain. And still those seats. And still I'm so happy decor. They moved the table here. Moved that one there. And here's the kitchen. I decided to put a curtain there. But keep it open. This part. Oh. It's better. We are going out to put your makeup on. My friend decided to cut it from the mountain. I mean, like, it worked. And I just noticed that you can put the oven up. Whoa. Haven't you? But this is how I like it. You can put the oven up if you like. And oh yeah, I put the bread there. And still no plates. And the curtain. That's it, I'm switching sides. Works. And here you what? And still the same running. And then now it's time to go up. Still the same lights, the same control, but they put it around here and put the night lampshade there. And of course the bedroom. This is the master bedroom. It has the balcony. Oh yeah, I'm inside the house, so I have to change slippers. And here is, oh wait, the chair from the thank you, the thank you one. And oh yeah, I changed only the second room to be like better. And of course, the bed. And wait, I kind of want to change this though. But it's better. And then yeah, and then bed for, and then this one. Oopsie. There we go, and sleep. I said sleep. I said sleep. 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 You finally give butt out. Go. This is for this. What? And this natin. And of course the bathroom hasn't changed. And oh yeah, I'm going to be needing to put a curtain there. Curtain from the bubble gum. And let's see. Oh wait, this kinda looks good. It got too big. Is there a blue one? Oh, it's a bit blue. Finally. out. That worked. Yeah, that works. So that's basically all of it. Where is it nighttime? Stormy. Like 12 a.m. So here's the final tour. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye!